Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and if you haven't been following this, how I made this squiggle, you might want to back up and watch it. But I was waiting for that other video to load, and I thought, well, there's one little trick here. You can see my center of the deal. Remember when I made the lines, I moved one of the lines. Well, one of the lines is a little bit longer than the other line because now I'm not in the center. And we can kind of prove that by taking that line, or taking the whole thing and ungrouping everything and group just our interior, and now our X is in the center. But that's neither here nor there, and that's how you could check things. Control G and make a group of it. Now, if you've never used the twirl tool, which is underneath the shape tool, it's pretty cool. You could do, let's make it, tell you what, let's make this thing smaller. And then let's grab the swirl tool. Let's make the swirl tool a little bit bigger. Let's make it 7 inches so it would encompass the whole thing. Now, with the twirl tool, click on your item and then go to the center. And don't twirl it overly too much. That might even be too much. And you can change that by changing this right here. It'll actually slow it down so it'll twirl slower so you can kind of see it. That looks pretty good. Now, Control D and make a duplicate of that thing and mirror it. There you have a totally different squiggle. You know, we could group it all together and squish it down. I mean, that would take you a long time to draw. You could even change things up by using the Smart Fill tool and filling in some of these interior parts to make it look like something totally different. Anyway, I like it. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.